Good morning, student 9 students. Today I am going to solve some more question from rectilinear figure, which is based on the property of the parallelogram plus the concept of congruency of a triangle and parallel line. Right? Proving part. The proving part, you have to use the property, concept of congruency and parallel line concept. So first question today. Given parallelogram, question number 18. Given parallelogram ABCD, ABCD is given a parallelogram. Given AB is equal to twice AB, this is given. Right? And AE bisect angle A meet CD at E. AE bisect angle A meets CD in E. Then we have to prove that first B bisect angle B and second angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. That these two value we have to prove. So what is given in the question? In question it is given ABCD is a parallelogram and condition given AB is equal to twice of AD and B given B bisect. We have to prove B bisect angle B and second AEB we have to prove equal to 90 degree, in which A given A bisect angle A. Right, clear? So we are going to prove it. Follow it. We will use the property of parallelogram, whatever it is. First, since A bisect, I am explaining, you have to write in your own word. Since A bisect angle A, let this angle is A, then this is also A, because bisect. And since it is ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB parallel to DC, then A is transversal. So this angle and this angle will be also equal. Let it be. So this angle will be equal to this. This is A, this is also A. Why? Reason alternate angle. Now in triangle ADE, first you have to write let angle DAE is equal to angle EAB, that is equal to A. Right? Angle EAB equal to angle AED is equal to A, alternate angles. Right? Hence, in triangle AD will be equal to D. Right? Two angles are in a triangle, two angles are equal, then their opposite sides is also equal. So this angle and this angle equal, this AD will be equal to D. Now AD equal to D and AD equal to BC also. So let AD equal to X, then AD equal to D equal to BC equal to X. This is also equal to X. Right? Again, what is given in the condition? Condition given AB is equal to twice AD. This is given. So AB is equal to twice AD is 2. Right. Again, since AB equal to BC, opposite sides of the parallelogram. So AB 2x, CD also 2x. So see here, dx, this is x, means EC also x. Right. Now when we join B in triangle, BEC, BC is equal to EC, means two sides are equal isosceles triangle. It means their opposite angle will be also equal. Means this angle and this angle will be equal. Hence, angle CEB will be equal to angle CBE. Let it be B. Same. Right. So this is B, this is B. Then this angle will also be alternate angle. Also, angle EBA will be equal to B, alternate angles. So first part prove this angle is B, this is angle B. Hence, B bisect angle B. Do you follow this, sir? Now we have to prove the second part. AEB equal to 90 degree. This only follow? For the second part of this question, we have to prove that A bisect angle A, B bisect angle B. Then we have to prove that second part, angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. This is right. You know that since ABC is a parallelogram, the sum of angle A and sum of angle B will be 180 degree, co-interior angle. So what is the magnitude of this angle and what is the magnitude of this angle? That is not given. So we will suppose what? Let this total angle is Y, then let angle DAB is equal to Y, then angle CBA is equal to 180 degree minus 1. 8. Also, A bisect angle Y and B bisect angle 180 degree minus Y. So what you will do? So bisector of this angle Y by 2 and bisector of 180 degree minus Y by 2, that is 90 degree minus Y by 2. Right. So this becomes 90 degree minus Y by 2. Now in triangle AEB, this is triangle AEB. This is Y by 2 plus this is 90 degree minus Y by 2 plus angle AEB is equal to the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So minus Y by 2 plus Y by 2 will be cancelled. So what is left? Angle AEB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So we just prove that angle AEB is 90 degree. You follow this one? So this way you have to prove the proving questions. Some more questions in next class. Thank you very much.